Hey friends! Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many people around the world: diabetes. Whether you've just been diagnosed, are supporting a loved one, or simply want to take better care of your health, understanding what to eat and what to avoid can make a huge difference. Now, first things first. Having diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy food anymore. It's not about strict dieting or giving up everything you love. It's about making smart choices, ones that help keep your blood sugar stable, your energy steady, and your body feeling its best. So let's break it down. What foods are great for people with diabetes, and what foods should we try to limit or avoid? Let's start with the good stuff. The good news is, having diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy food anymore. It's not about extreme dieting or cutting out everything. It's about understanding what helps your body thrive and what might throw your blood sugar off track. Let's start with the foods you should absolutely include in your meals. First up, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula. These are low in carbs, rich in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or even soups. They're simple and powerful. Next, whole grains. Swap white bread, pasta, and rice for brown rice, quinoa, oats, or whole wheat options. These digest more slowly and help keep your blood sugar steady rather than spiking quickly. For protein, go for lean choices. Chicken breast, tofu, lentils, beans, eggs, and especially fish like salmon are excellent. They keep you full longer and don't affect your blood sugar in the same way carbs do. Don't forget healthy fats. Yes, fats can be your friend. Avocados, olive oil, chia seeds, walnuts. These support heart health, which is especially important for people with diabetes. And yes, fruit is okay. Just choose wisely. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are lower in sugar and rich in fiber and antioxidants. Enjoy them in moderation. And of course, non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, cucumbers, and bell peppers are fantastic. They're low in carbs, filling, and super versatile. So what about the foods to avoid, or at least limit? Sugary drinks are at the top of the list. Sodas, sweetened coffee drinks, and even packaged fruit juice can spike your blood sugar in minutes. Water, herbal tea, and sparkling water with a slice of lemon are better choices. Processed carbs like white bread, white rice, and regular pasta are quickly digested and cause blood sugar spikes. Try to replace them with whole grain versions as much as you can. Fried foods are tricky. French fries, fried chicken, and other deep-fried items are high in unhealthy fats and calories, and they can make managing your blood sugar harder over time. Sweets like cakes, cookies, and candies? Yes, they're tempting, but it's better to save them for rare occasions. If you're craving something sweet, try a piece of dark chocolate or a small bowl of fruit. Be cautious with processed meats too. Bacon, sausage, and deli meats often contain a lot of sodium and saturated fat, which isn't great for your heart or your blood sugar. And finally, be mindful with full-fat dairy. Products like heavy cream, whole milk, and some cheeses are high in saturated fat. Low-fat or plant-based alternatives can be a smarter choice for everyday use. Here's the thing. This isn't about being perfect. It's about learning what works for your body and making small, consistent choices that add up over time. If you have a favorite treat, it doesn't mean you can never have it again. Just be mindful of portion size and timing, and balance it with healthier meals. Also, everyone's body reacts differently to food. One person might feel great after eating oatmeal, while someone else may notice a spike in blood sugar. That's why tracking how food affects your levels is so valuable. It helps you build your own personal food map. Living with diabetes doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It's about progress, not perfection. Every healthy choice you make, big or small, is a step toward more energy, better mood, and a longer, more vibrant life. So take it slow. Maybe this week, try replacing one sugary drink with water, or add more veggies to your lunch. You've got this, and you're not alone. Thanks for spending your time with me today. If this video helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Wishing you strength, health, and peace every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more simple, science-based tips for living a healthier, more mindful life. At Touching Life TV, we're here to inspire small steps toward big change, starting with how we care for our bodies, our minds, and each other. Let us know in the comments, which healthy food do you love most, and what would you like to learn about next? Until next time, stay kind to yourself and keep touching life in a positive way.